Are you tired of low water in your toilet bowl? Today I'll show you a couple ways that may help you raise the level. Start by removing the lid to the tank. Some plumbing parts look different from each other, but they all basically work the same way. The main parts are the fill valve, float or float ball, refill tube, overflow tube, which goes to the bowl, the flapper, chain, and handle. The first thing to check is to make sure that the refill tube has not become disconnected. If it is not connected, the water will just fill back into the tank instead of the bowl. Placing it back onto the overflow tube may fix the problem. Pro tip: if your toilet bowl is about to overflow due to a clog and the water shutoff valve is stuck, quickly removing this tube will stop additional water from entering the bowl. If the refill tube is still in place, the next thing to check is the water level. The float arm has an adjustment screw that can raise or lower the water level in the tank. The overflow tube has a water level line to show the maximum amount of water for the tank. If the water level is not up to the line, you may experience low water in the bowl. To fix this, adjust the float arm screw by turning it in the left or right direction. To raise the water, turn the screw to the right until it reaches the bottom of the water fill line. If you would like to save water per flush, then turn the screw to the left until you have reached the desired water level. Too low of a level will result in a poor flush. After you have made the adjustment, flush the toilet and allow it to refill to confirm the right amount of water in the bowl. I hope this helps your aquatic dilemma. Please like and subscribe for more how-to videos from Show and Tell.